Hello everyone, I'm Becky Goldsmith with Piece of Cake, and I want to show you the Apliquick rods and the Apliquick ergonomic tweezers. These were initially developed for preparing applique shapes. You would use the rods, and there's two sizes. One is a little bigger and heavier, and one is just a little bit smaller. You would use these to manipulate the edges of the applique to the back of the applique so that you'd have a prepared edge. And you absolutely can use these tools for that task, but they're useful for so much more. The large tool, which feels really good in your hand, both of these have weight, has a slightly bigger point and a fork. The smaller tool, which tapers to thicker in the middle, has a finer point and a finer little flat spatula end. What this does is give you multiple ways to approach a task depending on what you need to do. What if you need to help push fabric into a seam as you're sewing and your stiletto is maybe too flexible or too pointy? You will find an end here that works. And as I said, you can use it in applique to turn edges under if you're doing a prepared edge. Almost any time you find yourself needing a tool to hold fabric down or to control for one reason or another, these tools are handy. The ergonomic tweezers are wonderful for pulling threads and for grabbing fabric to manipulate it as needed. I do know that I use these tools a lot when I'm doing foundation paper piecing, whether I use it as I'm pushing the fabric into the machine to sew to help control it, or when I'm removing papers. Because you can use the tool to reach in and loosen the papers, and you can either use your hands, but you know, sometimes there's a little bit left and you need a tweezer to grab a little bit of paper. The end on these tweezers is so perfect for grabbing paper or grabbing fabric or for grabbing threads. They're flat and they really are ergonomic because of the way you can hold them in your hand and manipulate. You're not working on just a tiny little part of the tweezer. It gives you more room for your fingers. And as I said at the beginning, these are really useful tools. I've had these for years and have been using them. They last. They're wonderful and they last. What more can you want? Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy these, and may you have many happy stitches.